This is the make automation. I called it Invoice Generator. And you see that we have a first item that is looking at this database. Then these search objects look for this person in the people database and gets their email and the tax information. We need a Google template that I have here, a doc, where you see that we have different properties that we in with the information from Notion. Then it downloads a document, sends an email to this person, and updates the database in Notion. I'm going to click on Run and let's see what happens. We didn't get any errors, so looks like it worked. And also, I don't know if you saw, but the status changed to invoice sent. It means that the invoice was already sent.